Dear brothers and sisters, we are going to celebrate the feast of Father Damien of Molokai on 10th of May. But I would like to talk about Damien today because today and tomorrow we have exhibition about Father Damien and the community that bring the name of Father Damien to help others. This community is called Father Damien Society. Dear friends, when Damien was a young boy, he had already cared for the poor. One day, when a beggar came to their house, his parents were not at home. So he took all the food in the kitchen and gave it to the poor or the beggar. When his parents went back home and wanted to take dinner, they found nothing. After asking where the food was, Damien admitted his fault. Fortunately, his parents were not angry. The wisdom and love of his parents helped Damien to grow in loving and giving others. That was the beginning of his spirit to serve and to give his life to the lepers. Dear brothers and sisters, it is easier to say I love you than to do it. In the second reading, St. John says that our love is not to be just words or mere talk, but something real and active. So, love is not merely feeling or even charity. Feeling and charity works are the expression of love itself. Love is also more than just social activities or charitable work. If we really love others, we should give ourselves wholeheartedly and totally. Jesus says that there is no greater love than a friend who lays down his life for his friends. Saint Damien is one of many holy people who has practiced the real love and real friend for others. He spent his whole life in looking after the lepers. Nevertheless, not all were able to accept him. There was a hostile opposition of one leper who did not want to have anything to do with him. Go home, he used to say. Since your God does not cure me, what is the point of believing in him? Many years later, when the same leper is on the point of dying, he meets Damien again, and then his attitude is entirely changed. I have been watching you, he says, and now I want to believe. If you were only a man, I think you would have run away from this island. You have failed long ago. But since you have not failed, you must be more than man. You must have a God in you. Tell me about that God who is dwelling in you, so that I may receive him in me as well. My brothers and sisters, as Saint Damien, we are called to be Catholic plus, not only Catholics. Because as Catholics, we should usually fulfill our duty because of obligation. But as Catholics plus, we fulfill our duty because of love. When we are able to do our duty because of love, we are able to give our life for others. Dear friends, there are some people who want to follow the spirit of Father Damien of Molokai. They want to love and give their life to serving others. They have spent their time to serve the poor. Sometimes they have to leave their family for a while and take leave from their work to go and serve the needy in other countries. Sometimes they have to humble themselves asking for donation though not for themselves. These people join in a community that called Father Damien Society. They are simple people, but they have big love and ready to serve the Lord by loving and serving others. So my brothers and sisters, let us be generous in loving as Christ, who has died for us, and as Father Damien, who has given his whole life to the lepers. We can give our little time, money, and care for those who really need, especially the poor. Amen.